Hello guys, welcome to my channel How to Learn. In this video, I want to explain about HackerRank problem, find digits. Let's read our problem first. An integer d is a divisor of an integer n if the remainder of n by d equal to 0. Given an integer, for each digit that makes up the integer, determine whether it is a divisor. Count the number of divisors occur within integer. Guys, first of all, let's take the example given by HackerRank. They have given an integer 124, okay? And we have to take the individual numbers in 124, like 1, 2, 4. Other numbers came from the 124. And these three numbers can divide 124. So we have to return the count 3. Suppose if you take the number 10, 1 can divide 10, but 0 cannot. So we have to return 1 only, means you have to return the count of numbers which we can divide the given integer. Okay guys, I think you guys got it. Suppose let's take another example. They have given an input as 2 which contain numbers 1, 2 and 1, 0, 1, 2. Now I will explain it guys. 1, 2. That take the individual numbers 1 and 2. 1 can divide 12 and 2 can divide 12. So we can return the count 2. Suppose if you take 1, 0, 1, 2. 1 can divide 1, 0, 1, 2 and 0 cannot divide 1, 0, 1, 2. And again 1 can divide it. And 2 can also divide 1, 0, 1, 2. So what we have to do means we have to return only 3 as 0 cannot divide this number. Okay. I think you guys got it. If you have any doubts in my problem explanation, please comment in comment section. Now let's write our program guys. First of all, I am declaring a variable count which I have to return. Okay, and guys, now what I want means I want count of digits. Suppose take a number 123 and I want how many digits are there in the number. If you observe this 123, you have 3 digits in it. Okay, first of all I am writing code for it. Generally, if you observe, there are 6 to 7 lines of code to get it. But I will write it only in one line guys. Please observe carefully while writing this shortcut guys. In the place of braces, you have to put the given integer which is n. Okay, and plus 1. Then we can get the count of digits here guys. Guys, if you want shortcuts like this, please go to my channel. You can find the coding tricks, and I will also paste that description. Sorry, in that link in the description. You can also go through it and check that videos. And now I'm declaring a variable string where I'm converting the given integer into string. Okay, and s dot substring of I comma I plus 1. You may have a doubt, what is this I plus 1? Now I will show you. What I will do means I will write a for loop here guys. For int I equal to 0, I less than count of digits I plus plus. Okay, and here the main logic exists guys. What I will do means every time the loop iterates, I will convert the integers into the string and I will take individual number from each. Okay, how I will take means here I have divided the numbers to 1 and now I will again convert it into integer, which one? The string s. Okay, parse int of s, and suppose if j not equal to 0 and n by j equal to 0, I will increment my count, guys. Guys, don't worry if you don't understand this logic. After execution of this program, I will explain the logic again, guys. Return count. Let's run our program, guys. Let's see what happens. Let's check whether any error occurs or test case pass. Yeah, my test case is passed, guys. Let's submit our code also. Yep, guys, my test case are successfully passed. And guys, now I will explain the logic of the program, guys. Suppose consider a number 1, 2, 3, guys. What I am doing means, first of all, I am declaring a variable int count equal to 0. Okay, and in the variable count of the digits, I am getting the number of digits are there in the given number, which is 123. Here I am getting the count is 3, as there are 3 digits in the given number 123. Okay, I think you guys got it up to now. Now I am iterating a for loop here. As I have given there, it goes like this. It starts from 0 and it's end up to 2. Okay, what I am doing means, first of all, here I am converting the given integer into string. Okay, by writing string dot value of n. Okay, and what I am doing here, I am taking the first digit based on I am taking the substring. How means, I will show you. Suppose here I am converted my integer into the string. After this, s contains a string 123. Okay, what I will do means, guys, first of all, in the first iteration, I value is 0. Okay, I am writing here the code s dot substring of I comma I plus 1 means 0 comma 1. What is there in the place of 0 comma 1? So in the place here, in the place of s, I will get 1. Okay, and again I am converting it into integer by using integer dot %% of s. So now again, in the place of variable j, I will get 1. Okay, and I will check if my variable is not equal to 0 and my variable can divide the n, then I will say increment the count. Okay, like this the loop will go on. Okay, guys, I think you guys got it. If you have any queries, please comment it in comment section, guys. I will explain you. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.